Hello everybody, thanks for checking out this video. It's just going to be a very quick walkthrough of the dashboard on Marquee Tech. So this is going to be one of the first things that you see when you log in. If you are logging in for the first time, some of the data isn't going to be there. So this will give you a glimpse into the future of what it will look like once you've got customers in, quotes in, bookings in, and so on. So firstly, I've just made the screen a bit bigger by removing the menu on the left-hand side by clicking up here. Then I'm going to scroll down and walk you through each of these different cards within the dashboard. So here is, it's quite obvious. That's how you can add a new customer straight into the software. You can, of course, get your customers automatically synced through the inquiry form or the online shop that we have, but you can also just manually add them into this store. Okay, and then on the right-hand side, we have a quick quotes report. So I can see the quotes created in the last 7 days versus the last 14 days. So in my one, I've done a lot more quotes this week than I did the previous week. I can also click here and go into this report in a bit more detail. Okay, let's scroll down. Okay, on the left-hand side, these are recent inquiries that have come from my website. So that form can be linked to the website. Customers can make an inquiry, it gets emailed to you, but it also gets added straight into the software. And then from here, I can see that all of these have actually been quoted, but from here I could go through and build a quote for a new customer. On the right-hand side, we have a calendar. We've got multiple views, which we can click into there. But this one is just giving me a quick summary so I can see, what's been hired and click through to bookings straight from the calendar here. Okay, let's scroll down and we're going to see a map. Okay, so this is a map. Obviously, if you're in Australia, the US, Canada, and so on, you're not going to be seeing the UK. This would be linked to your account. And this is giving me a booking map for the bookings I have in the next 7 days. So I can see I've only got one event on a Saturday because it's an orange little circle. I can scroll into it and click into it to get more information about the booking. But if I had an event on Thursday, Friday, and so on, it would go into these different colors and you can see the key just above the map. Okay, so on the left-hand side, we have a little snapshot of the deliveries and the collections that we have for this week. And again, all of its linked, so I can go into those in more detail. On the right-hand side, we have invoices, so due invoices, unpaid invoices, and so on for this month. And again, I can click through and send them from here. I have some stock issues. So it looks like in my dummy account, there's a lot of issues. So I could click there to go into them or download any issues that I might have with stock, inventory, and so on, straight from the software, straight from the dashboard by clicking here. And then the last tag or feature on the dashboard is the task feature. So I can see that I have a task, only one task over the next 7 days, which is to organize a site visit. If I click through to there, I can then mark that task as complete. I could even send that task to another one of my team members and so on. So that is a quick run through of the dashboard on Marquee Tech. If you would like more information or need to speak to one of our sales or our customer support team, please get in touch and hopefully I hear from you soon. Cheers.